Horace Gioia, and my two practice areas are commercial real estate and commercial mortgage lending. As a lawyer, I went to UB Law School, graduated in 1980. Before that, I went to Hamilton College, graduated in 1977. I started out as a litigation attorney and changed to real estate pretty soon after that. I've been practicing real estate ever since, over 35 years now. Almost all commercial, very little residential, but almost all commercial real estate and lending. I represent a lot of mortgage lenders and represent a lot of borrowers who are obtaining mortgage loans in connection with various construction projects. I think I was told my whole life that you should be a lawyer because I argued a lot. Whether or not that was a good reason, I don't know, but it always had been in my head to go to law school. And after college, I knew I didn't want to end there. I wasn't positive what I wanted to do, so I just went to law school and actually enjoyed it a lot more than I thought I would. Well, as a real estate or transactional lawyer, we don't have cases, we have transactions. They don't stand out. I guess you would say I've had a few $50 million transactions lately, which they're bigger than most, so especially for Western New York. And I'm working on a pretty big purchase for a client in Manhattan right now, which is my first deal in Manhattan, which is pretty exciting as well. I am a father of 4 children. They take up a lot of my time, although their ages are from 37 down to 25, but I spend a lot of time. 2 of them live out of town, and 2 are in town, but I still spend a lot of time with all of them. I travel a lot. I love to travel, love to take my children traveling. I golf a lot, love to take my 2 boys golfing. And I attend a lot of sporting events and love to go to the various great restaurants in downtown Buffalo. If I were to give a legal tip in the area of where I practice, it would be do not sign, especially in real estate, do not sign anything without your lawyer having reviewed the document first. You would be amazed what could actually be determined to be a contract, no matter how flimsy or incomplete it looks. And it could be binding on you, and no matter what someone tells you about, don't worry about it, your lawyer could fix it later. Contract is 2 people agreeing and coming together on a matter, and if both people sign a document, it could be construed, and more than likely would be construed to be a contract, and you wouldn't have a lot of wiggle room, notwithstanding what someone told you and you relied on some advice that you could change it later. You might not be able to.